This simple morning drink can help support healthy blood sugar levels naturally. Watch until the end to learn the science behind this natural approach. Type 2 diabetes happens when the body becomes resistant to insulin or doesn't produce enough of it. This causes blood sugar levels to rise uncontrollably, leading to serious health problems like nerve damage, kidney disease, and even blindness. Millions of people struggle with diabetes daily, relying on medication to manage their blood sugar. But what if there was a natural way to help? Diabetes grows quietly inside, often unnoticed, until one day, the signs can no longer be ignored. It often begins with small warning signs: feeling thirsty all the time, frequent urination, sudden weight loss, and unexplained fatigue. If left unmanaged, diabetes can contribute to serious health problems like stroke and heart disease. When blood sugar remains too high for long periods, it damages vital organs. The heart is at risk because high blood sugar leads to hardened arteries, increasing the chances of a heart attack or stroke. The kidneys also suffer as they work overtime to filter excess sugar from the blood, leading to kidney disease or even failure. Nerve damage is another major problem. High sugar levels damage small blood vessels that supply nerves, leading to tingling, pain, and loss of sensation, especially in the feet. This is why many diabetics experience slow-healing wounds, which can sometimes lead to amputations. Research suggests that certain natural ingredients may support better blood sugar management. A simple morning drink made from warm water, apple cider vinegar, cinnamon, and lemon juice has been studied for its potential benefits. Apple cider vinegar can help to improve insulin sensitivity and lowers blood sugar spikes. It slows down the digestion of carbohydrates, preventing sugar spikes after meals. Studies suggest that consuming apple cider vinegar before meals can significantly reduce post-meal blood sugar levels. Cinnamon contains compounds that reduce insulin resistance and help regulate glucose levels. Studies show that cinnamon can lower fasting blood sugar by up to 29%. Additionally, it mimics insulin, allowing sugar to move into cells more effectively. Lemon juice is rich in antioxidants and supports the liver in breaking down sugars efficiently. It also helps in alkalizing the body, reducing inflammation, which plays a major role in diabetes progression. Warm water helps with digestion and nutrient absorption, ensuring that these ingredients work efficiently in the body. Aside from this morning drink, there are several other natural foods that help regulate blood sugar. Bitter melon has been used for centuries as a natural diabetes remedy because it contains compounds that mimic insulin. Fenugreek seeds are packed with fiber, which slows down sugar absorption and improves insulin function. Turmeric reduces inflammation and supports insulin function, helping to prevent diabetes complications. Green tea is loaded with antioxidants, improves metabolism, and enhances insulin sensitivity. Chia seeds and flax seeds are high in fiber and omega-3 fatty acids, which help regulate blood sugar levels naturally. Leafy greens, such as spinach and kale, provide essential nutrients and have a low glycemic index, making them ideal for diabetics. Nuts like almonds and walnuts contain healthy fats and proteins that slow down the release of sugar into the bloodstream. Another key factor in blood sugar management is the role of fiber and protein. Eating high-fiber foods slows digestion and prevents blood sugar spikes. Soluble fiber found in oats, beans, and vegetables helps improve insulin sensitivity. Pairing carbohydrates with protein-rich foods like eggs, fish, or lean meats helps regulate blood sugar and provide steady energy throughout the day. Many people who adopted these dietary and lifestyle changes have reported significant improvements in their blood sugar levels. Studies show that individuals who consistently drank apple cider vinegar before meals, combined with a fiber-rich diet, saw a reduction in their fasting blood sugar levels by over 20%. Others who incorporated exercise, intermittent fasting, and the morning drink into their routine were able to reduce their reliance on insulin medications significantly. One case study published in the Journal of Diabetes Research highlighted a group of people who followed a low glycemic diet, included daily apple cider vinegar, and practiced regular physical activity. In just 3 months, over 70% of participants saw an improvement in their insulin sensitivity and a reduction in their hemoglobin A1C levels, a key marker for long-term blood sugar control. To help keep blood sugar levels balanced, it's important to follow a structured meal plan. Instead of eating large portions at once, consider breaking meals into smaller, balanced portions throughout the day. This helps prevent glucose spikes and ensures a steady energy supply. A good daily meal plan for diabetes might include scrambled eggs with spinach and whole grain toast for breakfast, a handful of almonds and a slice of avocado as a mid-morning snack, grilled salmon with quinoa and steamed broccoli for lunch, Greek yogurt with chia seeds and a sprinkle of cinnamon for an afternoon snack, and baked chicken with roasted sweet potatoes and a fresh green salad for dinner. Small, consistent lifestyle changes play a huge role in diabetes control. Avoid sitting for long periods. Standing up and stretching every hour can improve circulation and help regulate glucose metabolism. Reducing stress through meditation, journaling, or spending time in nature has been shown to lower cortisol levels, which helps balance blood sugar. Proper hydration and adequate sleep also contribute to insulin regulation, making them crucial components of a healthy routine. Drinking enough water is essential. Dehydration can cause blood sugar levels to rise, as the body releases stored glucose into the bloodstream when it senses a lack of fluids. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water daily and avoid sugary beverages that contribute to insulin resistance. Sleep quality also has a major impact on diabetes. Poor sleep disrupts hormone balance, increasing cravings for high-carb foods and worsening insulin resistance. Creating a consistent sleep schedule, avoiding caffeine before bedtime, and reducing screen time can greatly improve blood sugar regulation. To make this powerful morning drink, prepare a glass of warm water, add 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, add half a teaspoon of cinnamon, squeeze the juice of half a lemon, stir well, and drink it first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. For best results, combine this drink with a healthy diet and an active lifestyle. Tracking your blood sugar levels before and after meals can also help you understand what works best for your body. Thousands of people worldwide are discovering that small changes in diet and daily habits can make a huge impact on their diabetes. Many have reported significant improvements in blood sugar control when incorporating natural remedies like this drink along with a balanced lifestyle. Now, let's be clear. This drink is not a cure on its own. It can support your health journey better when combined with a balanced diet, regular activity, and other positive lifestyle habits. Always consult a healthcare professional before making significant changes to your health routine. Managing diabetes naturally is possible with the right approach. Cutting out harmful foods, adding natural remedies, staying active, and being consistent with healthy habits can lead to incredible results. Small daily choices can make a big difference. This video is for educational purposes only and does not replace medical advice. We are not doctors. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to tap the bell icon so you never miss our next tip.